fencing here is what we're actually starting to supply. Not only do we install it, we actually wholesale it as well. There's different types of it, so you've got your Eco, what is your 4mm, what we don't tend to use just because it's a lot weaker. We always use 5mm Vmesh. This is obviously 2 metre high. We do 1.8, 2 metre, or we do 2.4. Already had loads. It's going to be 2 metre twin mesh in green. So we'll pretty much be starting from, as you can see, a little bit of wood ink around there. We'll be starting from there, metre off a fence, coming all the way down. And we're back. So these bad boys took a bit of digging, that's for sure. Big old Palisade gate post there. Rock hard that now. Rock hard. Then other ones in, as you can see, lads are just digging away. Now I'm going to start getting all these top rails on now and start peeling it as well. Ready?
Yeah, go.
Right, morning guys, just in from Airedale. We love it, we've just been having a laugh about that. As you can see, get that one in there as well. Lads are on a job here today, Thornton, just a domestic job, like 5 nights. Wetherby. Lads are just loading the van up now, right down there to the end, tying to the mesh what we're existing there. This is 1.2 roll top. Schools love a lot of this, as you can tell. Looks really nice for schools. You know, no spikes on the top, so kids can hold it without hurting themselves.